Hi, in this video I want to show you how to install the Eclipse. So for this purpose we need some prerequisite software like Java. First of all, it will Chrome or any other web browser. Then here search the Oracle Java, then enter, and you can open the Java software. Go here for Windows, then you select the 64 bits file and then click here, then start download. As you can see, the Java JDK become downloaded and it is here in my desktop. After that, you should download the Eclipse. So for this you should go to the to web browser and search here the Eclipse download, then enter. So after that you go to download, then from here you can download. You can click on download option in this button, and so after the completing this download, I will come back. So now you can see that the Eclipse become downloaded, and now we have both software. First of all, we should install the JDK, Java JDK. Right click here and run as administrator. Press next, then next. Now close the dialog box. After that, you go to drive C, and drive C go to program files. Here we have a folder by the name of Java. Click here and then open the JDK. After that, the bin. Now click here and select all this path and copy it. Here search the edit the system environment, then click on it, and then advanced option, then come to environment variable. I click here and then go to path and select the edit. After that, you should click on new and paste the copied path and then press the OK. After that, OK and OK. Now for checking that it was successfully or not, just type CMD in search button, open it, and then type Java, then double hyphen, then version, and now you can see that the Java JDK is installed successfully. Now it's time to install the Eclipse. Click on the software which we have downloaded and run as administrator. Press yes. Now the Eclipse installer is ready to install the Java environment for Eclipse. Now you should select the first option if you want to work with Java. Click here, and after that you should select the installation folder. You can select from here, but I will put it as a default, and then click on install. Then click on accept. After that, the installation will install, and it will take some time. It's depend on your internet speed. Now as you see here, the downloadation and installation become completed, and after that you can press here to launch, or you can press on shortcut to launch the Eclipse. So I click here. So here you can select the workspace where your all projects become save. So here you can see the Eclipse workspace. So for creating a new project, go to file and select new, and then after that select the Java project. Give name to your project like MZ application. Then select finished. You can see the project become created. After that you can create the file, click right and go to new, and after that you can select the class. After the class you can give it a name like test1. Select this option to create a class with the public static void main, and then click on finished. Here the your past class, you can write code as you wish, like system .out .print lm hello world. Now save it and click right and go run as Java application. Now you can see the result for output here. It was the complete process of installation of Eclipse. Thank you for watching.